So this is the first opening that we have, which is for the OSCP certified consultant, right? So company name is Security Board. They want some OSCP certified professional, those who have 3+ years of experience, and you need to work on site, right? There are a couple of more things. They want a person who can immediately join. Okay, and they want red team assessment peoples. They want a web application pen testers or Android iOS security testers. They want someone who can review the code and someone with network security assessment. So you need to do all those things. Okay, and if you are passionate, just go ahead with this link, right? If you want me to send the link in the chat box, just let me know. I'll just drop in the chat. Anyway, this is good. Those who have experience for minimum of 3 months, okay, you can join, right? Now the next one is for SOC L1, L2, L3. L1 means less experience, around 1 to 2 years. L2 2 to 3, and this is 3 to 4 round. This is what I feel like that we have usually companies are having this criteria. Company name is Trojan Hunt India. Okay, so if you want to work, okay, you need to work in Delhi, which is in India most probably, and this is what we have, right? Feel free to apply. If you want to apply, just drop a resume on this mail ID, which is, as always, we have v.tamanna. You need to drop a mail on that, tamanna, v.tamanna@trojanhuntindia.com. Next one is Protech Manis, which is a company. They want a VAPT professional, and again, it's for the freshers. As I told you, fresher doesn't mean you don't have any experience. You should have minimum 1 to 2 years of experience to get a job in cybersecurity. So this is they want what they want. They want 1.5 to 4 years of experience hands-on, which means you have practical exposure with you. They want vulnerability assessment and pen testers, those who can look for the vulnerability in network and application environment. The key responsibility that will be given to you is to create some sort of detailed report, to do pen test, to advise on security improvement, how the company can improve security. Skills that are required is expertise in web, API, network, and mobile security. They should have family with the Nessus, Metasploit, Bob suit, and code source review is compulsory, I guess so. And 0 30 days of notice period should be there. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, prachi.g@protechmagazine.in. Next one is in, I don't know, yeah, what is the name, but it's Raya Corp. Okay. They want a information technology person who they want you to work as a associate engineer, probably into monitoring, which is L1, right? Which is kind of fresher. This is mail ID cv_it lob@rayacorp.com. The next one is in SCL Tech. They want someone who can work on C2C, command to center, NOC and monitoring, which is probably a kind of SOC job, right? Guys, right now there's a boom in India. Okay, everyone want someone with a good SOC skills, so just work on that. They want minimum 1 year of experience and maximum 8, right? So it's for freshers, even for experience as well. You need to work in Chennai or Noida. Their key responsibility will be you need to monitor the real-time network, incident management, perform analytics reporting. You need to collaborate with the multiple things, right? What we have offer: competitive salary and benefits, opportunity for career growth and development, a collaborative and innovative work environment. Work location will be Chennai and Noida. This email ID md.abufazal@tcltech.com. Just apply. You might get selected. Next one is Cyber Annex, right? This is the company name. They want again GRC consultant. As I told you guys, GRC is also in the boom. Governance, risk, and compliances, which means just Google it out. GRC VIEH group on YouTube channel. You will get a video. They want a person with experience of freshers and experience both. Okay, so you can work as a. Someone was asking for GRC internship. I guess I'm not remembering the name, but last time someone was asking. So you can apply here. You can just scan it out. You will get to know how to apply for this internship, right? Now the next is IT security lead, which is in Qatar. So guys, Qatar, Dubai, all those countries are looking for a lot of peoples, but it want minimum 15 to 20 years, which means insane experience. ठीक है, एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा खासा होना चाहिए. Either you need to have good experience या फिर कब्र से निकल के आना पड़ेगा, then only you will get this job. Okay, what you will bring? Deep expertise in network and cloud security, proven leadership of 20 plus security professionals, 27001, which is ISO and GDPR knowledge is important. Okay, and bachelor in computer science related field, CISSP, CISM, CISA or equivalent is required. Location is Doha, Qatar. Sai.kumar@hyperthinksys.com. Next one, again, Trojan Hunt. I already told you this is mail ID L1, L2, L3. Those who are freshers, they can also apply. If you want me to start a course on SOC, let me know. I'll plan out. Next one is Mesner India, looking for L1, L2, Junior SOC Analyst and Cyber Security Manager. This is mail ID sunita@mozillaSecurity.com, and there are benefits you're getting, right? Next one is Sky Secure L1, again L1 in Pune, Mumbai, L1 in Combator. Where is Combator? I guess it's in Hyderabad. I guess so. L2 Combator pre-sales Bangalore, which is probably in the cyber security. Field sales cloud security engineer 1 to 2 years. Azure DevOps data science engineer technical lead 5 to 6 years of experience is required, and modern technology, right? Check it out. There's a lot of things even for freshers and for experience both. Careers at skysecure.ai is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? So guys, that's all for today. You can drop your questions whatever you have, and I can come to your questions.